Latest order from Amazon. I'm riding my hamster wheel. What I got here is revolutionary. I just picked this up from Amazon. Let's do the unboxing. The drone riding a EUC. If you do this wrong, it cannot close. Oh, this is very cool too. Like opening just the arms. Is it practical? We're gonna fly and find out. Look like a spacecraft. Yo. Crazy Superman here. Hamster number 7. Drop him. Bam. Bombs. And bombs. Guess what I got? I just picked this up from Amazon. And this is super excited. Let's do the unboxing. What I got here is revolutionary. It's going to be insane. It's crazy design. Look like an EUC. I'm riding my hamster wheel. Here you can see where there's a good place that I can do the unboxing. Hooray! I just ordered this from Amazon last night. Can't wait to try this out because it's got some really awesome feature. Everything a crazy Superman would want it, because it's just that good. A lot of people are practicing their soccer right now. Kids team, women's team. Okay, this is a very good place to do unboxing. Let's crack this open. To do unboxing, you need to have a proper knife. Ta-da! I used to work at the Amazon warehouse, and they throw this garbage every day. Very wasteful. So I picked this up from garbage. First, cut it open like that. Rip this open. Rip this open. And that's it. Wow! Look at this. This is the DJI Flip. Whoa, the latest drone from DJI. I didn't get the Fly More combo because the battery life for this is already at 30 minutes. For 30-minute flight time, you really don't need a Fly More combo. Neo is like 16 minutes. Really, for 12 minutes, if you don't have Fly More combo, you are toasted. But with this, 30 minutes good enough. Plus, you will be flying other drones in between, so more than enough. But I really need this controller with a screen, because I had so much trouble using the cable, connecting with phone. With this, you can start flying right away. Much shorter time. And like DJI Neo, this one, you can just fly it, palm flying. No need for phone, controller, whatever. You whip it out from your pocket and start flying in less than 30 seconds. Okay, let's open this bad boy. So let's crack it from here. So with Neo, the video quality is kind of bad. I mean, it's good for social media, but if you want to put on the computer, TV, it becomes a little bit blurry. The DJI Flip has got a very good camera at the front. The camera is like the Mini 4 Pro, so you get crazy awesome video. I'm going to be tracking me riding my hamster, riding my Emotion VA EUC, riding my Honda gas scooter, riding my Segway kick scooter, riding my Segway self-balance hoverboard. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Today I was flying my DJI Neo, tracking a little monster control truck. It's like you can go 100 kilometers with that. So with this drone, you're gonna be able to do a lot of really cool stuff. Okay, let's see what's inside. So you get the silica gel to keep everything dry, no moisture. Kids, this is not candy. Do not eat this. If you eat this, you're gonna be dead. Alright, very important. Okay, this is the remote controller. It's always got a very good wrapping because it's got a screen right inside and the stick control at the back. You can get it out, plug it in. So this is gonna be a very good way to fly your drone. C to C cable, 2 sets of propeller. These are tiny, eh? Look at this, very small propellers. Hopefully I don't crash my drone and I don't have to fix the propeller. A screwdriver. This is to remove the propeller and install the propeller. That's it for the accessory. And okay, this manual you never need, but looks like there's a sticker. Sticker is cool. You can stick onto your different thing, computer, UC, to decorate and to show off you are a DJI user. DJI has got a whole bunch of really cool product. Other than that, the manual, you don't really have to read it. Anything you don't know, you Google, you know, you learn what to do. Okay, let's open the drone. Let's see the drone. This is the most exciting part. So once you fold it up, it's kind of small, but once it's open, it'll be big. Okay, here you go. Ta-da! This is a drone riding a EUC. So it looks like a drone riding a EUC. The blade, when two pieces together, become kind of big. It says here, charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. So you cannot, with DJI product, you cannot just open the box and start working right away. It has to charge, connect, activate, firmware update, a bunch of process. So how does this work? So you flip open, this is the hand open, and then you open the leg, and it's automatic starting, but you have to activate first. So what if you do this wrong? If you do this wrong, it cannot close. Now it look like this look like an alien, like a UFO, like a spacecraft. So you see, like this. That look like a spacecraft. If you fold it wrong. So to close it, you must fold the leg first, and then hand. Okay. So open the hand, and then you open the leg. Okay. So must remember the sequence, otherwise you will be messed up. Now the propeller is all guarded and protected, so hopefully people don't get scared when they see this. But this still look kind of big. People might get scared or get annoyed. We don't know. We have to test it out. Because this one is much quieter compared with the DJI Neo. No high-pitched noise. So maybe... What do you think? If you see this, people play this in the park, would you get scared? Maybe. And then there's a gimbal protector. The gimbal protector always difficult to put on and remove, so I'm not gonna do this here because I don't want to drop things here. Okay, so leg close, hand close, and ready to pack it away. I'm excited. Gonna go home, charge it up. Tomorrow we'll start our tracking. This is opening just one side. Oh, this is very cool too. Like opening just the arms. Look like a spacecraft. I like this design, very cool. But is it practical? We're gonna fly and find out. Make sure you subscribe and see me tracking my UC, my gas scooter, my kick scooter, and play this in the park. Okay? So make sure you come back to see more video about DJI Flip. Tomorrow we'll put new video up.